Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, we're gonna traditional of the 29th of anniversary of the lighting of giant Christmas tree only here in Ligao City Park. First time sa vlog ko to sa premiere. So in the YouTube channel will be the vlog for the first time in the Philippines, and don't forget a lot. So and guys, and you're watching, enjoy the video. Enjoy! So yun guys, late na kami. So meron dito bibi sa bag, tsaka so hot. So manood po kayo sa lighting of giant Christmas tree. Manood kita sa fireworks. Magsisimula ang countdown. So meron dito sa Ligao City Park. So of course, subukan natin ang location. Susubukan natin meron dapat ang location of Ligao City Park. Okay? So don't forget and let's watch to the video. Okay? So enjoy. Let's go. So dito po sa Ligao City Park, so merong magsisimula kami ng fireworks. So merong tapos yun, so merong masakit sa siguro wala akong kaya. So of course, so mamaya pa po sa premiere starts, mamaya magsisimula ang Christmas countdown. So mamaya pa po, so magka fireworks display and which the color this one ang pinakamakabangan mangyayari mamaya pa ang 7 PM. Pagkatapos yun sa traditional lighting of Christmas tree, ang susunod sa 8 PM sa Batang Quiapo po. Mamaya sino nagpapaalam sila na. So okay, so and don't forget to watch. So manood kami sa traditional of lighting of giant Christmas tree, will be the countdown of the fireworks, and I'll be right back. So wala pa po sonon sa Christmas tree, merong intay natin makakaya ng fireworks, meron tipo patok, boom, meron pa sabog yan tayo. So mamaya pa po, so don't forget and like this video. So meron po sa comment and sharing and message and love. So I'll be waiting for your turn. Hey! Ay na, magsisimula kami sa first vlog. Ten, 9, 8, 7, heartbeat, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! I love you, King of Fun! Thank you, Merry Christmas, Michael Jackson. Ow! Billie Jean, that's my lover. I love you. I love you, Michael Jackson. I love you, Miss Universe. Victoria Kelby from first Denmark. Woo! Yeah! I love you both. I love you. Thank you very much, Michael Jackson. Yeah. Patay na siya. Yeah. Pasabog. Woo! Woo! Charot. King of Pop, I love you all. I love you, Miss Universe from the Philippines, Denmark. I love you, my man. I love you all. I love you. I love you.
I love you, King of Pop. Thank you very much, MJ. Pasabog na, Mary! Oh, sapa!
Kapag January.
Salud! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Umagat! Umagat!
Idol!
Sapa! Sapa, idol! Idol pa! Idol pa!
One more time, mamatay sa balit. I wanna say Merry Christmas. Sapa, nasa sa trailer night. Michael Jackson is a Merry
Christmas! Happy holidays! From Michael Jackson and the Jacksons and the Jackson 5! From the artists and animals!
Idol lol. Parang ko may video.
Download guys! Thank you Lord! Happy holidays! I love you! Sapa, I love you my girlfriend! Salahot! Thank you Lord! Salahat! Thank you Lord! I love you! I love you most! I love you King of Pop! King of Pop! Sapa! Oh! Meron ba? Oh! Meron ba? Salot! Sapa! I love you! Thank you Lord from the Miss Universe Asia. Happy Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy Merry Puputok pa yun ako yun.
Thank you Lord. Damas. Picture muna tayo. Okay. So, bukas na muna. So, see you later. Woo! Yeah! 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 So, right guys. So, uwi na kami sa Ligao City Park. Tsaka home na tayo. So, meron kasi at Merry Christmas. Sabihin mo sa Happy New Year to 2025. And now for this gotta be for the first, it's gotta be so fun. So alam mo, and Merry Christmas to Happy New Year. So don't forget and like this video, hit the like button and share and subscribe. Peace. Bye bye.